third video of Tanabe Lubricator, Tanabe air compressors, and actually I have missed one thing for this the purpose of this shaft. You're seeing a two groove, the groove which is from this hole to the upward of the shaft, and then these holes are aligned. Basically, you can see my finger. These two holes are aligned. The cut is from the middle of this to the top, and then from middle to the bottom. It's mean that when oil come inside, oil will obviously go to the, when this is in the position inside the lubricator, the oil will obviously go to the both of the hole. But if it's rotating, it's mean now the oil is not going. If it's in this position, the oil will move from the middle of the these two ports to the upward port. Then this position, the oil will deliver inside, and okay, and when this in this position, oil will deliver from the middle port to the downward port, middle hole to the downward port. This is the top port, this is the bottom port. And now I'm synchronizing it with the trying to synchronizing it with the shafts. Let's see it. What's the function of this shaft? Okay, this is the worker one. Let's check this one. When it's at the bottom position, it's mean that the hole it's at the top position, hole. Okay, I will research on this shaft also, and then get you informed very soon, inshallah. Thank you for joining my video.